YouTube, what it do? 86 with your fix with some very disturbing message to give you guys. All right, this is a 2012 Volkswagen CC 2.0 liter turbo. Check engine light is on. This is my cousin's car. Quick story short, everybody go to the mechanic shop. People really don't know people like that. So she hits me up with these quotes just to, double check. This one right here is saying radiator. The labor, 2.5 hours at $85 an hour. Just the radiator alone is $661. Okay. Let's go to number 2. Front suspension, basically $500. And number 3, oil air separator, and that's $701. So basically 13, 5, basically $1,800, $2,000 of work plus, $1,800 plus tax. You're looking at $2,000 to do work on this car. So I come and do a quick view and to, of course, check out their, quote or whatever. I scanned the car. It's pulling up the code that relates to this one right here, the oil separator. And which I did come and check it out, which is right here. Basically a PCV valve. And there's a little small hole right there. And if you put your thumb, there's a suction. It's sucking in. And there's a small hissing noise that you can hear. So this piece needs to be replaced. So so this one is okay. This next one is front suspension. We're not gonna worry about that one right now either. But this one right here, replaced radiator at $661. I went through this car. The water level is okay. It's been running for about a half an hour. No leaks on the ground. There is nothing wrong with this radiator. So this shop has completely snuck this one in under the customer eye. By the way, it's a girl, and that's even worse. And that's why, these shops need to be put on blast. I not putting them on super blast. I took their name off, but the last time I put someone on blast, it ended up being a faulty cop that went to jail on selling fake armor piercing plates or body armor. You can check that video out if you guys want and look into that. Yeah, there's definitely. So I'm not putting them on super blast, but I'm just telling. This is just a quick video on buyers beware at these mom and pop shops. These honest mom and pop shops are not really so honest, They completely just snuck that one in under the radar, and they're going to literally come up on $700. I did notice her tires are pretty bald, and it's a little shred right there. So I overlooked the car. There's also a small little slit on that hose. I'll look more into it. This clip on the ignition wire on the coil pack plug is broken. Not really a big deal because it's held in place by the rest of them. But this definitely needs to be replaced. This is okay. And then I'll check out the suspension probably tomorrow. So basically, I can save my cousin $700 plus the cost of, they have the part for $220 for this part right here. I found it online from the manufacturer for $150. So that's another $70 that they're gonna slide by with, and you know, stuff like that is just not right. So of course I got your back. 86 got your fix, and you know, we need to put these people on blast and, you know, stop this nickel and diamond stuff. Peace.